Today we're going to prepare a pizza on our KamadoJoe grill. We're going to use a deflector which comes with the grill as a pizza stone, but as deflector we use a special deflector which you can buy in a store. I bought it in Lowe's. This I'm gonna use like the deflector goes over here, and then pizza stone or deflector. What I've used like a pizza stone will go over here. I'll pull the starter with charcoal, burning charcoal, into the Kamado Grill. Just to be sure the oil burning, so we need maximum temperature, and then all burning. Pieces goes to the bottom, and then we open maximum here and wait certain time when the coil start burning. So we have some coil burning, some not, so we need to mix it and open all this over here, and then wait certain time until all coal will be burning. Have a temperature in the dome 500 degrees, and now we're installing the deflector. So hot. Okay, now we're putting our pizza. Now we're done making our pizza.